The objectives of the Senior Executive Assistant. The role of the Senior Executive Assistant is one which requires a great deal of skill, expertise, and responsibility. In comparison to junior secretarial roles, the responsibilities of Senior Executive Assistants are much more expansive and demanding. Senior Executive Assistants are typically employed by CEOs and are expected to have a full understanding of their executives' goals and objectives. Senior EAs must have the ability to quickly and effectively prioritize tasks and remain focused under pressure. This demonstrates their flexibility, adaptability, and responsiveness to change in a fast-paced environment. Furthermore, senior EAs are responsible for helping their executive reach their strategic goals and objectives. In order to be successful in this role, senior executive assistants must possess excellent organizational, managerial, communication, and operational skills. They should be able to multitask and remain calm under pressure and have the ability to think on their feet. As such, they must be reliable, proactive, and able to take initiative when needed.